Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line pumpkin. I've gone in first and base coated my pumpkin with terracotta. I did chocolate on the stem and evergreen on the leaf. I'm going back in now that everything's dry with that chocolate color and a number 4. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a number 4 or a number 6 around. Either one will work, in the color cotton. And I'm going to go on and just do these little paint brush strokes. Kind of like polka dots, but a little bit longer. And I'm just going to do them kind of sporadically all over my pumpkin. And now I'm just going in with limeade and I'm going over my vines. And I'm also going to use this limeade to go in and outline my leaf. Next, I'm going to go in with the color putty, and I'm going to use it to outline the details that are on my stem, and also go over all my little brown areas on my pumpkin, just highlighting and brightening it up. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of black to outline my vines. That kind of just makes them pop. I'm going to do the same thing with my leaf and stem. I'm just adding a little bit of black here and there. Not a super detailed outline, but just hitting it here and there to make it pop. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.